It is time. It's up to the light round. Plan this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? Time for the lightning round. Cramer, reminder. Let's start with Bob in Michigan. Bob.
Hi. I bought Warner Brothers Discovery at $13.80 later this spring, and I got disillusioned with management. So I sold my shares the day before yesterday at $13.61 at a loss of 19 cents a share. What's your opinion of Warner Brothers Discovery long term?
Okay, I need to see them make some money. As I've said over and over, and it's really helped our viewers, I'm not recommending stocks that are losing money. It's tough to recommend stocks that are like Amazon. I can't recommend money losers. Daryl in Louisiana. Daryl.
Booyah, who that, Jim? How's it going?
It's going well. How about you?
Good, sir. I have a question about, shoot, I don't forgot now.
That's all right. I don't know. Maybe it's about Jamar Chase and the wrecking of my fantasy team. No, that's probably off base there.
How about Getty Holdings, G-E-T-Y?
Oh, Getty Holdings. All right, now, look, Getty Holdings is very hard to understand because it came public. There was a big short squeeze and it went up way too high. And now it's all the way too low, and it's not a bad company. I think down here at 4, I'm not a SPAC guy, okay? But this one may be actually worth looking at. Holy cow. I can't believe I just said that about a SPAC. Let's go to Jason in Illinois. Jason.
Hey, Jim. Long-time viewer, first-time caller. Appreciate everything you do, and congrats on the Phillies. I'm sorry. And,
thanks a lot.
But anyway, wanted to talk to you about CLF, Cleveland Cliffs.
Yeah, you know, the quarter wasn't that good. And the company tried to say it wasn't as cyclical as it turned out to be. And as far as I'm concerned, once you get to that 13 level, you're not going to stop right there. It's going to go even lower. That's why I continue to prefer Nucor. Better company. All right, we're not done. We're taking Perot's in California. Perot's.
Yeah, hi, Jim. Thanks for taking my call. I really appreciate it.
Of course.
So as a GARP and momentum investor, I wanted to get your opinion on a healthcare stock that is showing great technical momentum and a fantastic pipeline for drugs in the diabetes, kidney disease, and sickle cell disease space. It has currently a PE ratio of 25, and it has a great balance sheet. What are your thoughts on VRTX, Vertex Pharmaceuticals?
Vertex, ever since what they've done with cystic fibrosis, I have been behind that company. Sometimes it's painful to be behind them, but I say stay with it. I think it's a really, really well-run company. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Coming up, Fortune favors the brands. The home and security story that can help secure your residence and your financial future. Next. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.